All right, penny stock billionaires. I just had to rush back to the desk. I literally ran. I am almost soaked here. Siyata is breaking out. I mean, literally. Look at our Telegram. Look at everything I put out earlier. Siyata is exploding. Okay. If you were following our Telegram, you're following our Twitter. I told you guys 363 is the trigger to get the algos going bananas, and this is exactly what happened. It's exactly what happened. We hit 425. We hit 425. Okay, I told you 350, then 363. This thing is right. It is beast. This is like a beast mode action. Guys, do me one favor. Now, again, everything we do here you should know this is paid content. Paid content. Okay, hang on a second. Now, I need you to do me one quick favor. Go on social media. Go on Twitter. Go on X. Go on StockTwits. Go on StockTwits. Go on X and hashtag Siyata breakout. $ breakout. Hang on a second. Breakout. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this. Okay, just in case you guys need to know, post this. We got to get eyes on this. We gotta fight the algorithms, fight the short sellers. Post on socials. SYTA breakout. Okay, that's gonna make the algos go bananas. Let's try an experiment. Let's try an experiment. Okay, let's try an experiment. Hi, Nisi. Go on X. Go on X. Go on StockTwits. Go on StockTwits. Actually, StockTwits, and type this in. Siyata, $Siyata SYTA breakout stocks. Okay, that will make the algos go crazy. Let's try a social experiment. Okay. This thing wants to explode. I think we break out of $5 today. How about that? How about I think we break out of $5? Well, maybe not. We hit close to 5. Let's not go crazy. Let's let the market go on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's not do what happened last time. But this thing, I told you what happens, guys. You're watching my videos and it's playing out. Look, this is why I wrote this book for you. Because there's a pattern. It's like, it plays out over and over. Every 10 bagger stock I've ever introduced, everyone, the ones that went up 2,000%, they follow that same pattern. I've done 20 videos like this already. How many videos have I done where I show you the charts? Explosion, pullback, 50% retracement, shake out the weekends. Look, you're riding a bull. It's like you're riding a bull. You're riding a bronco. The bull wants to throw you off. The market is not your friend. The market is designed to take your money. That's the matrix. Guys, if you want to escape the matrix, you got to get this book, because I'm giving you the keys to escape the matrix, to unlock the cage. Right now, you're prisoners in a cage of the matrix. This is the book, is the key to unlock, escape the matrix. Get my free newsletter. The links are in the bio, wherever you're watching. Okay, go to 10 Bagger Blueprint. Sign up for my free newsletter. Get the book. Escape the matrix. Go on Twitter right now. Type in Siyata breakout. Type this in like 1 million times, and we'll see if that makes the algos go crazy. Okay, so here's the thing. The reality is this. What happens every time you got a breakout, you have to shake out the weekends. Why does the market do that? I don't know. I didn't make the rules. I did not make the rules. Look at this beautiful chart. We got a key reversal trend happening like literally in front of our eyes. This is a beautiful setup right here. This is a perfect. I mean, it's a work of art. It's a work of art. Big green candle. Let's make that big green candle more huge and bigly. How about if we go to 450? Ooh, or 487. 487 that's a key number. Will that happen today? We got 18 minutes to go. But I'll tell you what though, I bet if people typed in Siyata breakout, I bet if they typed that in, this thing would go crazy. Now we got somebody saying, or did they lose money? I have no idea. There's people that nobody pumped the stock. This is not a pump and dump. Let me give you the proof that this is not a pump and dump, because obviously you're new to the game. You claim you lost 80,000. I don't know. Look, did you buy the book? Did you read my book? Did you watch the free videos I did, which explain to you everything? Did you read it? I got free videos. You don't know how to read? I got free videos everywhere. We'll talk about lottery later. Lottery is looking good. I'm bullish on lottery. I'm bullish on Siyata. I'm bullish on LITM. Okay, so these things they don't go in a straight line. Okay, Tejas, they don't go in a straight line. They don't. If you read my book, you would know that. Did you read the book? Did you watch my videos where I've explained these concepts 5,000 times? I explained them 5,000 times. You know, I can't listen. I'm not your mommy. I'm not your daddy. Okay, I can't tell you what to do. Okay, I'm not gonna. You know, I can't. You know, make you dinner, and I can't change. I'm not gonna make you dinner and then change your diaper. Okay, I can't do all things. I'm a simple man. I have just limited amount of skills. All I know how to do is find stocks that have 10x upside potential, introduce them to the audience, show you how the markets work. I show you how the markets work in the book. 10-bagger blueprint. Get this on Amazon. Get my free newsletter. My newsletter is free. My Telegram channel is free. My videos, I got a bunch of videos all over TikTok, all over the YouTube channel, a penny stock billionaire gang on YouTube, on the Wall Street Reporter channel. I explained to you how these moving averages work. And I'll tell you why this is not a pump and dump. A pump and dump would have been exploding volume, exploding, and on the sell-off, you would have seen even more volume. And here, what do we have? Just the opposite. Just the opposite. We exploded on massive volume, 100 million share days. It was going bananas. And the sell-off is happening on low volume, a trickle. There's only a trickle of selling. There's a trickle of selling. Why is there only a trickle of selling? Because the sellers are the weak hands. It's the weak hands that are selling. The bull is throwing you off. You want to ride the bull? You want to get rich? You got to know how to ride the bull, okay? You guys are getting tossed off. I told you, we have capitulation. Capitulation. You know what capitulation is? You don't know what capitulation is? You Google it. Capitulation. If you go on my TikTok comments, all the comments are, I lost money. This. Half the comments are fake, by the way. Half the comments are fake. But the others like, oh my God, is it ever going to come back? Oh, this guy's a scammer. Pump and dump, pump and dump. Oh, it's going to zero. Guys, I've seen this movie how many times? Countless times. It happens literally every time. It plays out like we're in the matrix. You need to understand, you and I are basically, we're in the matrix. We're in the matrix, okay? You need to transcend the matrix. You need to transcend the matrix. Your mind needs to transcend the matrix, because right now what you're seeing is the matrix at work trying to steal your money. You got the matrix, you got the short sellers, you get the Muppet boiler room, you get the Muppet boiler room trading coaches trying to sell you courses and steal your money, trying to sell you whatever. I'm here giving you free information, okay? You got to know that any breakout will have a pullback. How many times have I said it on these videos? A million times. I've done a bunch of videos in the last week. I told you about the moving averages. This thing wants to go to the moon. Guys, I'm talking Siyata right now. The thesis is $15, $25 a share. We got a pennant forming. We got a pennant breakout forming literally in front of your eyes. In front of your eyes, literally. This is a work of art, a pennant forming, and this thing wants to go to the moon. To the moon. To the moon. Let me repeat. Je répète. Look at this. Boom, boom. Okay, look at that chart. Wow. Big breakout. Big, huge, huge, and bigly breakout. Huge and bigly. Do we make another thrust? Look at this. This is the 15-minute chart. Are we going to thrust higher? This is the 1 hour, which means we got plenty of room to go. The next level you got to watch, 502. 502 is the key level. 502 that's the magic number. That's a magic number. I told you 363 would be a magic number. Now, you can get all that for free. Go on my Telegram channel. I'm giving you the information free. Why are you complaining? Watch if we break out of here. We got another one. We got another breakout coming right here. 410. 410. Guys, watch 410. This thing wants to go. This thing wants to moon. Siyata wants to moon. Again, what have I told you? What have I told you? You want to get rich with stocks? You want to not lose money? You want to not lose money? Okay, there we go. Joshua, riding the bull. By the way, sometimes you should sell. I tell people to sell. I talk about it in the book. I did videos. You guys, you want to blame everybody for your problems. You want to blame everybody, okay? You want to blame everybody. I mean, you want to blame people. Okay. Listen, I did a video. I said, hey, when to sell. I have a video here on TikTok. I said, when to sell. You sell when a stock breaks below certain moving averages, okay? And you might want to consider selling if you get into a stock early. You triple your money, you double your money, pull your principal out. You got $1,000 into it. You tripled your money. You sell 1,000 shares. You sell $1,000. You get your money back. Put it in your pocket. Now you're playing with the market's money. You got $2,000 and you can sleep at night. And then you could do whatever. You know, scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. Okay, guys? Get the book, 10 Bagger Blueprint on Amazon. 10, or go to my website, 10baggerblueprint.com. Now, right now, go. Instead of going to Amazon, go on social media, go on StockTwits, go on X, and type this in. Siyata $sign SYTA breakout, hashtag breakout, Siyata breakout. Let's make that trend and see what happens to the algos. Let's see if the algos go crazy. I just want to see if that will affect the algos. Social experiment. Okay, we got another pennant. I think we're going to go higher. The bias is towards the upside. The bias right now on this chart, this 5-minute chart, it looks like it's on the move. The bias is towards, they're going to try to push it down. They're going to try to push it down. Watch this. They try to do that. They try to do that. It wants to go higher. Look at the exploding volume. The volume exploded right over here. Boom. Volume is going beast mode volume. Look, they're trying to push it down. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? It's the matrix attacking. Didn't I, guys, did I or did I not tell you that they're going to try to attack the moving average? Did I or did I not tell you? I mean, I'm like, I am in the matrix. I am like Morpheus or whatever, okay? They're attacking the moving average. It's a fake out. It's a false signal. I'm telling you right now, this is a false signal. It's going to flip. This thing is a pennant that wants to go to the moon. This is a moon pennant right now forming. I've seen this pattern. I got pattern recognition. This is like the one thing I have. I mean, I'm not great at things. Whatever. I got pattern recognition skills. We got a pennant breakout forming. This thing wants to ramp. It wants to ramp this thing to $5. It wants to do a ramp to $5. Now, you know, are you going to ride the bull is the question. Will you ride the bull, or are you going to get shaken out? Will you get shaken out? Will you get shaken out? People are getting shaken out right now. Right now. You're seeing it right now. They're going to get shaken out. The market's going to reverse. In the after hours, it's going to go to $5 probably. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I have no idea. Guys, go on social media. Type in $Siyata breakout. Siyata breakout stocks, Siyata. Let's see if that moves the needle. Siyata breakout stocks. Let me see what's going on. Let me see. Let me go X. Let me go to X. Let me go to my X page. Is it trending? Let me see if it's trending. Is it trending? Is it trending? Oh yeah, we got trending. There we go. We got trending. Actually, you know what? I think I'm the only guy posting it. You guys need to do your part. This is my screen. Okay, who's posting? We got Prince Al Walid posting here. Okay, then you got the Wall Street Report. That's me. It's the bottom in. This is my post from, what is it, an hour ago when the stock was under 350, and I said, watch this, the capitulation. You had the capitulation. These are my tweets. Everything we do is 100% transparent. Okay, we're giving you all the tweets. We told you the capitulation was in. Everybody gave up. The weak hands have sold. Do you understand? It's on like Donkey Kong. Right now, Siyata is on like Donkey Kong. Watch the moving average. Watch this. We had a full signal. What did I tell you? Guys, what did I tell you? We had a full signal. And now we're back up above the moving average to shake out the weak hands. Now we're going to ramp through the close. We're going to do a massive pump into the close, massive short squeeze. And this thing could be $5, $6 by Tuesday. Maybe. I mean, this is relentless. You got relentless beast mode action. Type in $Siyata breakout on StockTwits. Go to StockTwits. Do it on the StockTwits. Let me see on StockTwits. Is anybody posting? Is anybody? Oh, there we go. Where is this? Share this. That's StockTwits. Guys, you need to go on StockTwits. Look at this. We got posters here. Zohan. Shout out to Zohan 69. That's right. Beast mode. Enter. That's right. Zohan. We got who else? Hey, Gargly collapsing. Time to fly. The Zohan. Release the Zohan. Guys, repost. Caliber. Carl B. Zohan is our post of the year. Post of the year, Marlin Man. Okay, there we go. Marine Lineman. Marine Lineman. The Marine Line. What is a Marine Lineman exactly? Is that like the guys who post a lineman? Isn't it the guy who does this telephone pole stuff like that? Siyata, is this thing on? Breakout, Marine Lineman, Carl B, Big Man, and the Zohan. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, but true. Are we going to close at, do we close $4 or higher? Look, the matrix is trying to push the stock down. Look what's going on. They're trying to push it. It doesn't want to go down. It's like a beach ball, an inflated beach ball in the pool. What's going on? Yeah. It's like an inflated beach. You're trying to push the beach ball down. It keeps popping up. It doesn't want to go down. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. This thing is yeah, it's official. This is official. You got a pennant forming on this 1 hour chart. You got an official breakout here. This thing wants to go higher. I think we $5. A lot of stuff starts to go crazy at $5. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful, ooh. I mean, perfection. This is perfection right here. This is this is the 4 hour chart, a perfect chart. Giant green candle. You got a giant, beautiful, it's bigly beautiful candle. Big, beautiful candle. Big, beautiful candle right on that key support. You see, that's the support line. That's your moving average of your 200. The 200 held strong. That means the trend is intact. The trend is intact. We held on to the 200. We tested. The markets tested. They threw off the weak hands. We held on to the 200. Look at the volume. Look at that baby volume on the sell-off. The sell-off was baby volume. Baby volume on the sell-off. The buys were the big volume. Yeah, we got 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go. Will the matrix attack? Will the matrix attack is the question. Will the matrix attack? I think the matrix is attacking. I think that's what's going on. They're attacking. They're not going to win. This thing is too powerful right now. It's too powerful. It's just the market forces are much too powerful. Are they trying to push it down? Like you can see this. They're trying to push it down. It's not. It's a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. They're trying to push you out. You're going to see this rip after hours. If they try to push it down right now, it's going to rip after hours. That's what they're trying to do. It's a market manipulation 101. Market manipulation 101. What do we need to do? I don't know. We got 5 minutes to go. You got to post on social media. Siyata breakout on Twitter and stock twits. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Because, whatever. Listen, the more you post breakout or whatever, Siyata, price, come on, man. Price target before the end of the day, $80 a share. I think we hit $80 in the next 5 minutes. Guaranteed. Money not back, guaranteed that we hit $80. Let's see. What are we doing? 15-minute chart, looking good. Let me go back to the normal chart. I'm not a fan of reading. Okay. We're forming a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup into Monday and Tuesday. Beautiful setup. I think you're going to see this thing rip. And you want to watch the $5 and $5.30 levels. $5.30. After that, it's to the moon. After $5, it's moon time. It is moon time. Moon time at $5. This chart is a moon chart right here. We got a pennant. We got a big, huge, beautiful pennant forming right now. And by the way, the longer the pennant goes, the bigger the breakout, the more bigly. Yeah, guaranteed. Money not back. Guaranteed that we hit $80 in Siyata. Next 4 minutes. Okay, guys, get the book. Get my free newsletter. You want my free newsletter so that you don't get shaken out? You don't capitulate? 10-bagger blueprint. 10-bagger blueprint, okay? Where is it? Where is my thing here? 10baggerblueprint.com. 10baggerblueprint.com, okay? Get my book. I got a 10-step system, okay? Yeah, John, I owe you $1,000. Deal, yeah. Guys, get the book, 10-Bagger Blueprint. Get this on Amazon. Read the book. Don't just buy it. Read it. Put it to use. Everything is revealed to you. You would have known. It's like having a crystal ball. This book is having a crystal ball in your hand. Do you understand this? It's like having a time machine in your hand. Why don't you want to have the power? I mean, people don't want to have control over their life. I think that's what it is. It's like you guys want to, you want to blame people for your problems, right? I'm giving you right now. That's right. You got people here. 300 guys. Click upvote, like, subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, on Twitter, click upvote, subscribe, and like. Make the algorithm go crazy. Click like, thumbs up, whatever it is. Thumbs up, thumbs, whatever. Click all the buttons, all the things to make the signals go crazy. We need to make this thing go absolutely crazy. Into the close. 2 minutes to go. 378. Do we have a last minute ramp? 1 minute chart? Should we pull up? Are we going to break out above? They're going to try to push it down. Is it going to happen? I don't know. We got 2 minutes to go. Guys, click upvote, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the upvote, thumbs up for the live stream. Get more eyeballs on the live stream. Get the book so you know. It's like having a crystal ball. This book is a crystal ball because it told you the future. It told you what the future was. Were you listening? The book told you. My videos told you what the future was. You don't want to read? Get my course. We're going to have a course launching in about a week or so. You're going to have a course. It's going to be like $49 a month. You're going to have a community there also. $49 a month is the investment. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. What can I tell you? Most people are not going to do it because they don't want to, they don't want to have responsibility. Nobody wants responsibility in their life. All right. 380. 1 minute to go. Closing bell. Ding, 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 ding. They're going to start ringing the bell. Ding, ding, ding. Look at this. They're not gonna let it go. They want to shake the people out. The matrix is attacking. Don't let the matrix shake you out. All right. Don't let the matrix shake you out because what's going to happen is after hours, it's going to go to the moon. Watch what happens. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. 379. They wouldn't let it. 383. Do we hear 385? 383. We're above the moving average. Is it 4 o'clock? Is the market closed? No, I think it is. I think we closed, right? We closed? Oh, no. We got more time. We got a few seconds. We got seconds to go. 382. Do we break this moving average? It doesn't matter. It's fait accompli. This thing wants to go to $5 by Monday. It just wants to. Am I saying it's going there? No. I'm just telling you the chart wants to go there. The chart wants to go there. Don't get in the way of the chart. Again, get my book so you know how these things work. It's like having a crystal ball. In your in your hand. Upvote, like, subscribe to the channel, to the YouTube, to the Twitter. Are you guys on our Twitter? Let's see. Are you on our Twitter? Okay, market's closed. Okay, this is when the fun begins. Let's see what happens. Let's see the fun. I think somebody's going to run this up like stupid. I think it's going to be some stupid run up. It's just going to be like, it's going to be ridiculous. It's going to be redonkulous, basically. You know what redonkulous is? You don't know what redonkulous is? Okay, a bit of a profit taking here. Wow. Insane. All right, you know what time it is? Guys, you know what time it is right now? It's time for you to buy the book. It's time for you to go to Amazon right now and get the book. This is the book right here. 10-Bagger Blueprint. You're seeing it right here in your own eyes. 10-Bagger Blueprint. By the way, my book is the real book. There's a guy who wrote a book called 100 Baggers or whatever. These guys are just authors. They don't know anything. There's a bunch of guys who have 100 Baggers. The guy's an author. He's never done anything in his life. This guy, he's a theorist. He's a theorist. He looks backwards in time. It's a guy who looks backwards in time and tells you, oh yeah, this is what happened. I'm telling you what's going to happen in advance. This is a guy that tells you what happened 5 years ago. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, but true. Okay, that's it. I think we've done everything. I think we have done the job for the day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's look at the hour chart. We got a beautiful setup. We got a huge, big, beautiful candle. We got a ramp chart. We got a ramp. We got a ramping chart that wants to go higher. It wants to go absolutely bananas. This chart wants to go bananas. We broke out of the 50. We're at the 200. We got the squeeze going on. We got the pen and squeeze. When this thing beasts, it might go to $10. Now that all the weak hands got shaken out. Oh, I'm sorry. We're not showing the chart. Now that we got the weak hands shaken out, we can make some real money. It's the matrix. It's how the matrix works. Do you or do you not understand the matrix? All right, guys, that's it for me. We'll see you all in the next one. Again, comment below, get the book, get my free newsletter. It's free. See you. I'll see you Wednesday. I'm going to be out a couple of days next week. I'll see you guys Wednesday. Don't panic if you don't hear from me. You can handle it. You can handle it by yourself. I'll see you guys Wednesday, bright and early. John, $80. I think Siyata's going to $80. Wednesday by 2:38 p.m. exactly. It'll be $80 a share. All right, not investment advice. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Wednesday.